Namaste and good morning, everyone. Let's do the prayers before our class. Om Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parbrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Om Bhur Bhavaswaha, Tat Savitra Varenayam, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, Diyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. अस्तो मा सद्गम्या तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गम्या मृत्युर्मा अमृतं गम्या ओम सहनावतु सहना भुनक्तु सवीर्यं कर्वावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ओम शांति 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 ओम. Let's open our Ved Panchashati books. And we are going to start with mantra number 6, which is on page number 16. And this mantra is from Yajurved, Rishi Vishwamitra, and Chand is Gayatri. Okay. Om Yasmin Richaha Samye Junshi Yasmin Pratishtata Rathna Bhoivaraha Yasmin Chitam Sarv Uttam Prajanam Tanme Mana Shiv Sankalpamastu. Last week also we saw a lot of mantra with the ending with Tanme Mana Shiv Sankalpamastu. So this is another one. मेरा मन जिसमें ऋग्वेद, यजुर्वेद और सामवेद चक्र की नाभि में अरों के समान लगे हैं और संसारिक ज्ञान धागे में मनियों के समान पिरोए हैं, वह मन अच्छे विचारों से युक्त हो. Okay, so our rishis, they did not say that ignore this worldly life. Okay, worldly life we have to live, the duties we have to do. Okay, that's why the true dharma is where we do our worldly duties, but at the same time we do the spiritual duties also. So Rigved, Yajurved, Samved, and Sansarik Gyan, all of it together. स्वरत है ये मन मेरा, गहे वेद का ज्ञान, ऋग यजुर व साम हो सभी उसी में जान. चक्कर में जिमी होए अरे फन से दृढ़तम मीत. See, are means the spokes. Okay, in the wheel, the spokes. ज्ञान वेद का है तिमी, मन में ले वो चीत. जग का ज्ञान भी सभी ओत परोत मन माही. मन में बहु समर्थ है, उसमें सब समाही. You remember in Bhagavad Gita, so Lord Krishna gave the knowledge of the upper knowledge, but at the same time he gave the worldly knowledge also to Arjuna. Gyan Vigyan Yoga chapter. शुभ विचार हो मन मेरे, अशुभ रहे ना कोई. अशुभ आए जब वहां कुछ, नष्ट उसी पल होई. मन की जीवन में प्रभुताई, मन से ऋषियन मुक्ति पाई. अशुभ मन से 84 होए, शुभ मन से मनुष्य मुक्ति गोए. So ultimate doer is the man. So we got to make this mind pure. Let's look at it, the English translation also of this, so that we understand it even better. Because some of us know English more than the Hindi or Sanskrit. So let's look at the translation. O Lord, as the spokes of a wheel are fixed in the hub, the Rig Ved, the Sam Ved, and the Yajur Ved are similarly set in the mind, adorned in the string of worldly wisdom, like rubies in a rosary. Such mind of mine should be of pure thoughts. capable is my mind, must acquire Vedic wisdom. The Vedas, Rig, Sam, Yajur, must it grasp all of them. As firm spokes in the hub hold the wheel intact, such is the Vedic wisdom. Bear in mind the fact. Knowledge of the universe within the mind evolves. Mind has immense capacity. Everything this absorbs. Let my mind have pure thoughts. No evil should creep in this. Whenever any evil appears, the same time it may vanish. The mind dominates life. By it, rishis attained wisdom. Impure mind takes to births. By pure mind, one gets liberation. You remember that famous saying from the Vedas, Manaiv Manushya Nam Karnam Bandh Moksha. So this whole sadhana is the sadhana of the mind. Okay? You got to just do our best to keep it pure, keep it calm, and keep it connected to the higher goal. Mantra number 7. Again, the Chand Gayatri, Rishi Vishwamitra, and this is from Yajurveda. Om Susharthir Ashvanavir Yan Manushyan Neniyate Abhishubhi Avajiniv Harit Pratishtham Yad Jiram Javishtam Tanme Mana Shiv Sankalpam Astu. Avajin, that means horses, ghode. Abhi Shubhi, lagamo dwara. Lagam is the reins which are connected with the horses. Harit Prishtam, hriday mein sthit. Hrid means the heart. Ajiram, Javishtam, balwan, very strong. हे प्रभु, हमें ऐसी शक्ति दो कि हम अपने इस चंचल मन को अपने काबू में ऐसे लाएं जैसे एक अच्छा रथवान चंचल घोड़ों को चाबुक एवं अपनी कुशलता से काबू में लाता है. So we got to have that kind of a skillfulness so that we can control our mind. हृदय में स्थित एवं अवृद्ध मेरा ये मन अच्छे विचारों से भरा हो. See, वृद्ध means old. अवृद्ध भाव है कि जैसे सारथी द्वारा लगाम में घोड़ों को जिधर चाहे ले जाएं, ऐसे ही मन मनुष्य को घोड़ों की तरह जिधर चाहे ले जा सकता है. मन में इतनी बड़ी शक्ति है. चंचल मन वश में करो निज कृपा से नाथ, बिगड़े घोड़े की तरह वश ना होए मम हाथ. मन पर भावी है बड़ा और हठी भलवान, चंचलता का क्या कहें सदा करे परेशान. आप बने प्रभु सारथी तभी बनेगा काम, मैं गया हूं हार तो अपने मन से राम. मन अपना मैं हे प्रभु की ना तब हवाल, शुद्ध विचारों से भरो होकर नाथ दयाल. शिव संकल्पी जब मन हो पाए, जीव बहुर न जन्म में आए. So this goal which we are seeking for, we can reach there with the help of this mind of ours. Let's look at the English translation. O Lord, grant us such strength that we must restrain our fickle mind, as an expert charioteer controls his horses with his whip and skill. So both things are needed, skillfulness also, the whip also. This ever young mind of mine, situated in Hriday, must be full of pure thoughts. The idea is that with the help of reins, as a charioteer takes the horses wherever he wants, similarly, mind can drive man like a horse to wherever it intends. But the mind is so forceful. Hence, it must be restrained and trained towards purity and God realization. By thy grace, O Lord, my fickle mind you restrain. All my efforts are in vain. It is like a wild horse to rein. Mind is highly influential. Any binding it resents. What to say of fickleness? Always it torments. O God, you be its guide. You alone can set it right. With my mind, O Lord, I have lost the fight. My Lord, I surrender my fickle mind to thee. Bless with pure thoughts. Be merciful to me. For purity of mind, I pray to this when one ascends, liberates from worldly bonds, birth, death, one transcends. In the footnote, we see the Hriday, literally means the central part, a nerve, Sushushmna Nadi. Along the spine is called Hriday, wherein yogis concentrate mind and get divine experiences. Some people believe heart as the Hriday. It's not so. Heart is just a physical organ pumping blood in body. It has no spiritual significance. For details, he says, look at that Mahadivya Ramayana, Shiksha Kand. Okay, so for the yogis, this Hriday is not the pumping heart, it is the Sushushmna Nadi. Okay, the Sushushmna Nadi, that nerve channel which starts from the base of our spine, from the Muladhara chakra, and that's the only nadi which goes all the way up to the Sahasrara chakra. The other two nadis, the Ida and the Pingala, they just end in our nostrils. So that's why it's very important to bring our pran into the Sushushmna Nadi. That is a yogic sadhana. Let's look at verse number 8. Rishi Atharvan, Chand Gayatri, and this is also from Yajurved. O Mishanno Devir Bhishtye Apo Bhavantu Pitye Shanyor Bhisanvantu Na. We often recite this mantra when we do the yajnas also. Because in the Yajurved, there are a lot of mantras which are recited in the rituals also. हे प्रभु, आप दिव्य स्वरूप हैं, प्रकाश स्वरूप हैं, जो कुछ धन आदि है आपकी कृपा से हमें उपलब्ध है, वह हमारे लिए सुखदायक हो, हमारी इच्छाओं को पूरा करने वाला हो, और वह निरंतर अधिकतर समृद्धि और शांति तथा सुख को देने वाला हो. सो शन्नो शमनः देवीर अभिष्टे, देवी प्लस अभिष्टे आपो आपः संयोर अभि. सो शम य अभि आपा, प्राप्त होने वाली धन आदि वस्तुएं पीतिये, समृद्धि को प्राप्त हो. पीति शब्द वैदिक प्राकृत है. See, there's a Sanskrit language and the old Sanskrit language is called a Prakrit, जो फारसी भाषा में फीन और अंग्रेजी भाषा में फिनिश के रूप में. सो पीति, दिव्य रूप परमात्मा, सब सुख देने हार, जो कुछ है उससे मिला, देवे शांति अपार. प्राप्त रहे वह सुख सदा, निरंतर हो विस्तार, पूर्ण करे वह कामना, दे संतोष अपार. सुखों का प्रवाह प्रभु कभी न हो वे मंद, तेरी कृपा से सदा स्थिर रहे आनंद. जीवन भर ये सुख रहे जो तुम्हारा दान, शांति की वर्षा भये जग का हो कल्याण. प्रभु की कृपा जिसने पाई, शांति उसके चित में आई, धन धान्य का बना स्वामी, जग में होगा ग्रामी नामी. So this is mantra number 8. The translation: O God, your form is divine. You are in the form of light. Whatever resources and wealth, etc., we have got by your grace, all that may be blissful to us, that should suffice our needs and enhance comforts, peace, and prosperity. Divine is the form of God. All comforts he gives. Whatever he has granted may bring boundless bliss. Let that bliss be everlasting. Continuously it should grow. It must fulfill all our needs. Contentment it may bestow. Flow of comforts of Lord should be never ending. Constant joy may prevail ever with thy blessing. Lifelong lasts that bliss, which is granted by God. Peace it showers for welfare of the world. His blessings who gets, tranquility his mind attains, becomes master of wealth, person of the world fame. Mantra number 9, it has 3 parts. And Chand Anushtum from Rig Veda and by Rishi Agmarshan. See, all these rishis, they are called seers. So they really visualized these mantras in samadhi. That's why they are called seers. It's not from their ordinary intellect. Om Ritanj Satyanj Abhid Dhat Tapsoho Adhye Jayat Tato Ratre Jayat Tatha Smudro Arnavaha Om Samudra Adarnavadbi Samvatsaraho Ajayat Aho Ratrani Vidhat Vishwasya Mishtovashi Om Suryah Chandramaso Dhata Yatha Purvam Akalpyat Divam Cha Prithvim Cha Antarikshmato Swa. भगवान ओम की महिमा को पहचानो और उसकी विभूतियों को देखो। उसने अपनी सृष्टि रचनार्थ, प्राकृत नियम, रित और फिर प्राकृत कर्मों का विधान धर्म बनाया। अपनी प्रकृति से सृष्टि का निर्माण किया, रात्रि काल की रचना की और वर्ष आदि में काल को विभक्त किया, दिन और रात बनाए। भगवान की विभूतियों को सागर और महासागर में देखो। उसका सब पर अधिकार है, वशी है। सूर्य आदि विभूतियां उसी को दर्शाती हैं। पृथ्वी, भू, अंतरिक्ष, भुवा और अंतरिक्ष से भी परे स्वा उसी के द्वारा रचे हैं। उस प्रभु की सारी विभूतियां देखो, उनमें उसका दर्शन करो। रचनहार प्रभु ने किया प्रथम काल निर्माण, वर्ष आदि की रचन तब दिन रात लो जान। प्रभु का ही अधिकार है सकल सृष्टि पे मीत, वशी नाम से है कथा वेदों में प्रतीत। विभूति उसकी जान लो, देखो सूर्य व चांद, समझ सके ना वे जन जिनकी बुद्धि मांद। भू भुवा व स्वलोक उसकी रचना जान, तीनों लोकों में रमा उनका कर निर्माण। So after creating all these loks, it's not that he just went into the 7th heaven and lives there. No, he lives everywhere. Everywhere. So तीनों लोकों में रमा उनका कर निर्माण। जो मानव है जान ये पाता, एक है सृष्टि का निर्माता। बंदगी उसकी वह कर पाता, जन्म मरण में बहुर न आता। So this is mantra number 9, translation. Realize the glory of God, Om, and behold his manifestations. In order to set up his creation, he devised the natural law, Rit, as well as the law of natural duties, and brought forth this creation with his nature. He made day and night and divided the time into months and years, etc. Behold his manifestations in the sky or ocean. Bodies like the sun, the moon, etc. show his powers only. He governs everything absolutely. So that's why he's called Vashi. The earth, Bhu, the space, Bhuva, and beyond the space, Sva, two are his creations only. See all these as his manifestations and behold him in them. The Maker Supreme created the time first had bears, the days and nights, the months and years. God is the sole proprietor. Entire creation he reigns. Thus called Vashi too, Vedic wisdom so explains. Behold his manifestations in the sun and moon friend, but those of limited intellect would never comprehend. The earth, space, and beyond, all is his creation, you deem. Three worlds he pervades, he is the maker supreme. Person who discerns him as creator of the creation, being righteous, who serves, surely he attains liberation. Let's do one more verse, verse number 10, and then we can do some discussion also. So Rishi Atharva Chand Ashti, and this is from Atharva Veda. ओम प्राचीदिर अग्निर अधिपति रसितो रक्षितः आदित्यः ईश्वः तेभ्यो नमो अधिपतिभ्यो नमो रक्षितृभ्यो नमः ईशुभ्यो नमः एभ्यो अस्तु योस्मान् द्वेष्टि यं व्यं द्विष्मा तम वो जन्मे दद्मः। पूर्वादि समस्त दिशाओं में भगवान ओम प्रजा की रक्षा करते हैं और वे जीवन प्रदाता हैं। सूर्य की किरणों के समान उनकी रक्षा में शक्ति का संचार सर्वत्र हो रहा है। प्रभु को और उसकी शक्तियों को हमारा बारंबार नमस्कार। भगवान न्यायकारी हैं और अपराधियों को दंड देते हैं। जीवों को न्याय और अपने हाथ में नहीं लेना चाहिए। प्रभु के न्याय पर विश्वास रखना चाहिए कि वे धर्मराज हैं और उनके राज्य में सबके साथ समान न्याय उचित व्यवहार होता है। रक्षक वे भगवान हैं, सर्व विश्व के मीत, चारों दिखे बरस रही कृपा उनकी चीत। सूर्य संप्रकाश है, दिव्य प्रभु का जान, भक्तों को तो होत है उसका दर्शन मान। So that means Bhagat, the devotee, the lover of God, sees God everywhere. भगवान का संदेश ये, अन्याय हो ना कोई, मनमानी ना जन करें, मनमुख दंडित होई। दोषी पावे दंड को, मुक्त निर्दोषी हो, न्याय प्रभु के हाथ में जान पाए हर को। प्रभु की रीति सदा चली आई, दंड पाए जो जन दुखदाई। शरण प्रभु की जो चली आए, नमस्कार करे वह कृपा पाए। Let's look at the English translation also. In all the directions, God Om alone protects the people and bestows life. His protective power is present everywhere like rays of the sun. To that omnipresent God and his powers, we bow again and again. He is judicious and punishes the guilty. None should take justice in one's own hands. All must trust on the justice of Lord, for he is the Lord of justice, Dharamraj. Everyone is treated alike and judicially in his dominion. God is the savior of the entire universe, showering in all directions his blessings and bliss. The divine form of God, dazzling like sunlight, only devotees experience the amazing divine sight. Thus his message of God, let no injustice take place. Those who act arbitrarily, punishment they all face. The guilty get punishment, righteous remain unbound. God is the supreme judge, everyone must understand. So is the eternal law of God. Wicked always get punished. Seek the shelter of God, bow to him and get blessed. So we'll start with verse number 11. And this is also a category where the last word is Yosman Dveshti Yam Vayam Dvishma Tamvo Jambhe Dadma. So several verses we'll see ending with that. Okay, so let's do the Shanti mantra. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vishishyate. Om Shanti 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 Om. Thank you very much.